Hey everyone, welcome back to Mad for Cars, your favorite place for raw, honest, and thrilling car reviews. And before we jump into today's review of a unique, rare, and truly fascinating sports car, make sure you subscribe to Auto Addicts right now because you don't want to miss the lineup of automotive legends and modern machines we've got coming your way. Today, we're talking about a car that most people have only seen in magazines or classic car shows. It's quirky, it's innovative, and it represents one of BMW's boldest engineering experiments from the late 80s. I'm talking about the BMW Z1, a roadster unlike any other. The Z1 wasn't just about speed or luxury. It was about pushing design boundaries and introducing features no one had ever seen before. Let's dive in and see what makes this car a collector's dream. Starting with the exterior, the BMW Z1 is unmistakable. Even over 3 decades later, it looks futuristic with its sharp lines, wide stance, and one feature that still grabs attention: its vertically retractable doors. That's right, instead of opening outwards like a traditional car, the Z1's doors drop down into the side sills, giving it an open race car feel even while parked. The front end is clean and minimalist, with twin circular headlamps, a small kidney grille, and a low, aggressive stance. The long bonnet, short rear overhang, and flared wheel arches give it classic sports car proportions, while the use of removable plastic body panels was another industry first, allowing owners to change the car's exterior color entirely if they wanted to dot at the rear. The Z1 keeps things compact and sporty. Simple rectangular tail lamps, a tidy rear bumper, and twin exhaust tips maintain its clean, focused design. Even today, its stance and proportions make it one of the most distinctive roadsters to ever come out of Germany. Step inside, and the BMW Z1's interior continues its theme of simplicity, mixed with unique ideas. The cabin is snug, with bucket seats, a driver-focused cockpit, and minimal distractions. The dash design is straightforward, with analog dials and easy-to-reach controls, while the use of leather, soft plastics, and integrated door panels keeps it feeling premium for its time. The most fun part, of course, is the door mechanism. With the doors down, driving the Z1 feels like piloting a high-performance go-kart, with the open road racing past your elbows. The seats are supportive and designed to hold you in place when cornering hard, while the ergonomics remain surprisingly good for a car that was more about design, innovation than outright luxury. Storage space is limited, as expected in a 2-seater roadster, but the boot is adequate for a weekend getaway. Under the hood, the BMW Z1 is powered by a 2.5-liter inline-6 engine, borrowed from the E3325i, producing 168 horsepower and 222 Nm of torque. Paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, it sends power to the rear wheels, delivering a top speed of around 225 km per hour and a 0 to 100 km per hour time of about 7.9 seconds. While those numbers may not be supercar level today, the Z1's real magic lies in its handling. Thanks to its perfect 50-50 weight distribution, lightweight chassis, and independent suspension setup, it's agile, balanced, and offers a pure, connected driving experience that's become rare in modern cars. The steering is direct, the gearbox is slick, and the car's low center of gravity makes every corner an event. With the doors down and the engine revving, it's a truly immersive drive that modern convertibles can't quite replicate. As for pricing, since the BMW Z1 was a limited production model, only about 8,000 units were built between 1989 and 1991. It's now a collector's item, depending on the condition, mileage, and originality. Prices in the international classic car market range from $60,000 United States dollars to $100,000 United States dollars. In Pakistan, if you ever spot one for sale, expect it to cost anywhere from 2.5 crore Pakistani rupees to 3.5 crore Pakistani rupees, considering import duties and its rarity. So that's the BMW Z1, rare, quirky, and unforgettable roadster that broke all the rules and still manages to turn heads today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into a true automotive oddball, smash that like button, tell me your favorite classic sports car in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe to Auto Addicts for more amazing car stories and reviews coming soon. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay bold, stay different,